Good morning, dear student. Today I will discuss very important formula of mathematics. Quadratic equation. Now see ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, standard form. Alpha and beta are roots. In that case, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. And if roots are given, then quadratic equation, to find quadratic equation, x minus alpha into x minus beta is equal to 0. Discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. If d is greater than 0, roots are real and different. D is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. D is smaller than 0, roots are not real, means roots are imaginary. And the roots are x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now pair of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now we have a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2. These lines are intersecting lines, unique solution. And if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2, the lines are parallel lines, no solution. And third property, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Lines are coincident, infinitely many solutions are infinite solution. Cross multiplication, the rule x is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and y is equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now AP arithmetic progression. Dear student, nth term an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and d is equal to a2 minus a1, this is equal to a3 minus a2, and so on. Sum of n terms, Sn is equal to n by 2 common 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is equal to n by 2 common a plus l. Nth term from last, l minus n minus 1 into d. Now mean formula, if we have given terms and frequencies, x bar is equal to sigma xi fi upon sigma fi, and x bar is equal to x1 plus x2 sigma xi upon n. Probability p is equal to ns upon n. Here